What's up, traders? Mark Bauman here with STARTTrading.com. I'm coming back to you, not live, but live soon. We just got our YouTube channel set up, so go click and subscribe to our Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube once it's live. And whenever you get the chance, please smash the like button and share it with your friends. StartTrading.com is all about learning to trade for free. Go through 7 different courses, 40 different lessons. You can come join us there. We allow you to start trading for free, and our advanced courses have a nominal fee, much less than what you're ever going to make trading the stock market. First thing I want to touch on is Dogecoin. Dogecoin or Dogecoin? Dogecoin, excuse me. It took a dip today, had shot all the way up to 6.06 cents across the week after the Wall Street bets took a crack at it. It dropped down to 2 or 3 cents. Some believe it's going to go back and surge to $1. Some believe it's going to go crash down. Take your bets. We went ahead and got in at it, around 6 cents down here. And we thought it was going to dip and pop back up, as well as we got in it at 3 cents. And then it dipped further below that and then popped back up again. So hopefully that's going to pop back up. The thing that I want to talk about the most today, and in regards to the coming week, if you sign into any of the accounts today, TD Ameritrade, Robinhood, whatever it may be, you're going to see market volatility, tax documents, crash, not crash, but market volatility, and that they're going to be pulling back any credit on certain stocks, the stocks being traded by the Wall Street Bets Reddit group. And they continue to add to those stocks daily. I think that's a signal to the Wall Street Bet group. One thing I need to say is that Wall Street Bets group and Reddit, stop spreading yourselves too thin. Focus on GME, AMC, Nokia, maybe a few other stocks. Just stop spreading it thin because your power is infinite. It's finite. If everybody doesn't focus on GME, for example, that price is so high and the market cap is so high that they're not going to be able to compete with these hedge funds who can just sell short on them continuously and keep adding to their position, whereas we only have so many people in the world that are trading. So I want to make that kind of a sticky point. So we're going to cover 3 different analysts today off of YouTube. We have Patrick Desjardins, we have ElectroCure, and we have Lag Hacks. Had to look for that last name. We were going to cover Kramer, but Kramer is not in the running today because he doesn't have any great things to say, in my opinion, as far as the stock market went, and this market volatility is more all about the standard structural stock. So on behalf of Kramer, I want to let you know that we did have some auto sells, Tesla and a couple other big names, and we put that all back into Apple. We're going into ENPHStartTrading, and we will probably go back into Tesla. I think we set up a position there. Apple had dropped about 10%, and we decided to buy some call options and also some shares because with the market instability, there's a few stocks. 2 of my favorites are Apple and Qualcomm, which we're both in, that did not see as big of a hit from the coronavirus and other things. So Desjardins covered how the great video you should watch. We'll post it in the SIG, but he covered how the SPACs took a hit because the short sellers likely, as their trades got crunched, had to pull assets from other stocks in order to cover. So likely the SPACs got hit first. But the other thing which he didn't point on is that when you think about it, everybody's focus that most likely most of these traders that are in this Wall Street Bets, the Reddit group, most likely, no offense to them, but they're probably in these SPACs. They're in these high risk, volatile positions. Otherwise, they might not even be participating in this. Now, come Monday, you're going to have those short options are going to buckle. So the stock should rise on AMC. I don't know about GME, but it looks like it should on GME as well because of the amount of shorts and the fact that the price held. So that's understood. Nokia possibly as well. I'm not sure on Bed Bath & Beyond. And honestly, I couldn't tell you on some of the other assets because I'm just not following them, to be honest. Desjardins is a smart guy, very accurate in his picks, his predictions, is analyzing, but basically he is leaving off the table just the social factor, which is if you're focused on these SPACs, then there's this pretty little shiny thing over here and everybody goes there, the SPACs are just going to naturally drop. So SPACs across the board drop. So there's going to be some really great buying opportunities. We bought back into GNOG and a few others. We're going to look at more this coming week, but I'm not too anxious to get in on those on Monday or Tuesday because I feel like it's going to still be very volatile until the end of the week. Possibly next week, if there isn't some kind of regulation, which seems to be happening. On Robinhood, I could only buy 100 shares of AMC, for example, even though I had just sold 2,400 on the trailing stop loss. So I will be bringing that back up, likely in my lawsuit, which I hope everybody else is filing a lawsuit. I will be joining class actions and possibly filing my own if need be. Now, Desjardins, just for what we're all about, Start Trading, make sure you pump that like button, share this video, is just giving you the picks. These are the picks from analysts across YouTube, people we follow. We do across newsletters, YouTube, wherever we find these are good picks, we'll bring them to you so that you don't have to think about it. You can go watch the content if you'd like. You can do your own research if you'd like, but we just give you the picks. And in my experience, from what I've learned, and I believe this is very valuable, is that, and I think proven by GME and AMC, is that there's a social component to investing. So not only do you have to time the dip and buy on the dip, but also you have to buy not on the hype, but before the hype if you can. If you're buying on the hype, don't do it. So if these are dips, which they all are now, you have an opportunity to buy. So we have IPOE, Sophie, we have Proterra, and we have Lion Electric and Lightning EF Motors. I like Proterra because I invested in them before, as well as Lion Electric. I'm going to look into the other two. I'm not sure if I'm going to get Lightning EF Motors or not. And then the next pick we had for this week is Mcash. Mcash covered some amazing penny stocks, which we bought into. So those two were leading stocks associated with COVID, to where COVID's prolonged kind of damage to our economy will benefit these stocks, as well as they have potential long-term plays after. Now, Tonix Pharmaceuticals is TNXP, and ElectroCure is this device that you could actually breathe into it, and it will basically tell you if you have a disease or not. So ElectroCure, if I got that right, watch the video, check it out for yourself. But we bought into Tonix Pharmaceuticals, TNXP. I saw the largest upside on those long term, and biggest undervalue because it's only $1. I think it's hovering around 95 cents to $1, and allegedly there's going to be some kind of disclosure soon. Next, we had Lag Hacks. Now, Lag Hacks was picking up on all the different shorts out there, as well as a great penny stock. SNDL, Sundial, it was a great covering of the squeeze. So he believes it's going to also have a squeeze most likely because it's also at 100% short. This is SNDL. So we are going to buy into SNDL, probably just play in that one because we were heavy in AMC before this whole squeeze, and we went back heavy into AMC at like 20 call options or 30 call options and $10,000 or $20,000 in just basic stock. Lag Hacks also covered CTRM, which is down 50 cents after going up over $1.50. So CTRM is another stock we're buying into. Now, the last thing I want to cover is something that I'm not sure if it's being covered fully. I caught it on Market Watch. AIEQ. It's a robot-derived trading ETF. So it's robots doing all the trading, and these particular robots are going heavy into tech. So we bought Tesla and ENPHStartTrading, which are two tech companies this robot trader was also buying. And this is just based on the volatility in the market. And for whatever reason, this AI is moving into those, probably because they're stronger, more secure positions. Same reason we took Apple. We chose Apple over Tesla and ENPHStartTrading because Tesla still has a way to go down. Apple, I feel like, won't drop as much, but we won't have as much of an upside. But I'm trying to kind of put 30% of our portfolio into some more secure stocks and then ride this volatility wave, squeeze, whatever you want to call it. So thanks for watching. StartTrading.com. Please go check it out. We'd love to have you in there as a member and love for you to learn to trade. We are going to be launching all kinds of cool stuff for traders like yourself. So if you'd like to participate in either commenting, being an analyst, being a trader, trading stocks for us, please reach out and to hello@StartTrading.com. And thank you for watching. Please smash the like button and share.